centre was set up by two ladies who had vulnerable children and they couldn't see a future for them. One had Downs and one had severe difficulties, and they couldn't see what was for them when they left college. So they started this and they created something that now has over 30 vulnerable adults with learning difficulties working here, which is brilliant.
I got involved with Hope Nature Center. I started to volunteer here, and that was when 2007. At the end of 2007, I started to volunteer. But we had nothing here. It was basically part of the country park. We started building the animal park, and we started with roads and fences, until we got our first animal. And then I got offered a job here, so I happily took it because it was my favorite job, working with animals and with the people I'm going to work with. Then we didn't have so many staff. Now we got around 28-30 people in the animal park and the tea room. People with learning difficulties, mostly with Down syndrome. But yeah, no, it's a rewarding job.
I must say that once you get amongst the trees and the animals, the mixture of the fresh air, the trees and animals, it's just a lovely way to chill out.